Hello there! Welcome to the very first step of your home selling adventure. Whether this is your first time selling or you've done it before, every journey is unique, and I'm here to guide you through it. Ready to sell your house? It's a big adventure, but with the right steps, you'll do brilliantly. Selling a home can feel overwhelming at first, but don't worry. Together, we'll break it down into simple, manageable pieces. You want a quick sale and a great price? Let's make it happen. With a little planning and some smart strategies, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Think of selling as preparing for a big party. Everything needs to be just right. From the moment someone steps through your door, you want them to feel welcome and excited about the possibilities. It's not just about bricks and mortar, you're selling a dream, a future. Your home is where memories are made, and now it's time to help someone else start their own story here. We'll walk through each step together, so there's no need to worry. I'll be right by your side, offering tips, encouragement, and a friendly nudge when you need it. This guide is your trusty companion, helping you navigate the twists and turns of the housing market. From setting the right price to understanding what buyers are looking for, you'll have all the tools you need. We'll cover how to make your house shine, pick the perfect price, and show it off to the world. You'll learn how to highlight your home's best features and attract the right buyers. No fancy gadgets needed, just practical tips that work. Even small changes can make a big difference, and you'll be surprised at how easy some improvements can be. So, grab a cup of tea and let's get started on this exciting journey. Take a deep breath, relax, and get ready to learn everything you need to know. Every house has a story, and you're about to write the next chapter. The process may have its ups and downs, but it's also full of opportunities and new beginnings. By following these steps, you're not just selling a property, you're passing on a home. You're giving someone else the chance to fall in love with this place just like you did. Let's roll up our sleeves and get cracking. Your buyers are waiting. Together, we'll make this a smooth, successful, and even enjoyable experience. First, let's get your house looking its absolute best. Think of it as preparing for a big event, where every detail matters, and you want to make a memorable first impression. Imagine your home putting on its Sunday best, ready to charm everyone who walks through the door. Start with a deep, thorough clean. Make those floors shine, get the windows sparkling, and banish dust from every corner. A spotless home instantly feels more inviting and cared for. Next, tackle those little jobs you've been putting off. Fix leaky taps, silence squeaky doors, and touch up any peeling paint. These small repairs show buyers that the house has been well maintained and loved. When buyers see a home that's been cared for, it builds trust. After repairs, it's time to declutter, clear out anything you don't need, and create a sense of space. Pack away personal items like family photos and kids' artwork. This helps buyers picture their own lives unfolding in these rooms, rather than feeling like a guest in someone else's home. A tidy, open space not only feels bigger, but also more welcoming. Now let's stage each room to show off its best features. Arrange furniture to highlight the purpose of every space. Make sure each room has a clear function, whether it's for relaxing, dining, or working. Make the living room cozy and inviting. Set the dining table as if you're ready for a special meal, and add soft touches to family spaces. Add those welcoming touches, fresh flowers on the table, fluffy towels in the bathroom, and maybe even a bowl of fruit in the kitchen. Lighting is key. Open the curtains, turn on warm lights, and create a bright, cheerful atmosphere that draws people in. You want buyers to walk in and instantly feel at home, imagining themselves living and making memories here. A well-presented house truly stands out from the rest. Remember, first impressions are everything. Buyers often decide how they feel about a home within moments. With just a bit of extra effort and attention to detail, your house will shine and capture buyers' hearts. Let's make your home truly irresistible to buyers and set the stage for a successful sale. Now let's talk price. Set it too high and buyers will pass you by. Too low and you lose out. The key is finding that sweet spot, fair and competitive. Do your homework. Check what similar homes nearby have sold for. These comparables are your best guide. Avoid guessing. Use real data. A realistic price attracts more buyers and can even spark a bidding war. Think of your price as a welcome sign. Come in, this is a great deal. The right price creates excitement and urgency. Do your research, be realistic, and make your house the most popular on the street. That's how you sell quickly and for top dollar. Photos are your home's first impression. Make them count. Use a good camera or phone and take pictures in natural daylight. Tidy every room, open curtains, and turn on lights for a bright, cheerful look. Highlight your home's best features: fireplaces, gardens, or big windows. These photos are your advert to the world. Before viewings, give the house a quick tidy and create a welcoming atmosphere. A fresh scent like baking bread can make a big difference. During visits, let buyers explore at their own pace. Be friendly and available for questions, but give them space. Let them imagine living there. A relaxed, positive atmosphere helps buyers connect emotionally. You're not just selling a building, you're selling a feeling. Make your house the star of the show. With your house looking its absolute best, you're ready to show it off to the world. A sparkling, clean home makes a fantastic first impression, and you want every potential buyer to see it at its finest. Armed with great photos that capture your home's unique charm, it's time to spread the word far and wide. High-quality images can make your listing stand out and draw in more interest. Start by listing your home on all the major property websites. These are the first places most buyers look when searching for a new place to live. Write a compelling description that highlights your home's best features, from a sunny kitchen to a peaceful backyard. Mention local perks like nearby parks, schools, or cafes. Tell a story that helps buyers imagine themselves living there. Make it personal and inviting. Help buyers picture what their daily life could look like in your home, from cozy mornings to lively gatherings with friends and family. Don't forget to put up a for sale sign in your garden. It's a classic move that still works wonders for catching the eye of people passing by. Sometimes your next buyer could be someone who lives just down the street. Let your neighbors know your house is on the market. They might know someone looking or even be interested themselves. Word of mouth can be surprisingly powerful. Use social media to your advantage. Post your best photos and updates, and ask friends and family to share your listing. The more people who see it, the better. Flyers on community boards, local shops, and cafes can help you reach people who might not be searching online but are still looking for a new home in the area. The more eyes on your home, the better your chances of finding the perfect buyer. Every bit of exposure counts. Combine online marketing with traditional methods for maximum reach. The goal is to create a buzz and get people talking about your place, both online and in your community. When everyone's talking about your house, you know you're on the right track. The excitement can be contagious. The right exposure brings the right buyers to your door, increasing your chances of a quick and successful sale. So let's get your house noticed and make sure it stands out from the crowd. Next, decide if you'll use an estate agent or sell your home on your own. This is a big decision that can shape your entire selling experience. Agents know the market, handle marketing, viewings, and paperwork, and can often get you a higher price than you might on your own. Choose an agent with a good reputation. Ask friends, check reviews, and interview a few to find the right fit, or go for sale. Buy owner to save on commission fees and have more direct control. You'll handle everything: marketing, viewings, negotiations, and all the paperwork yourself from start to finish. It's definitely more work, but you're in control of every step and every decision. Be realistic about the time, effort, and organization involved in selling your home. Pick the path that suits your needs, lifestyle, and comfort level best. The most important thing is feeling confident and comfortable in your choice. Hooray! You've got an offer. Exciting, but stay calm. The first offer is just the start. Negotiation is normal. Consider not just the price, but the buyer's situation. Cash buyers or those ready to move are ideal. Discuss offers with your agent, or weigh them yourself if selling solo. You can accept, reject, or make a counteroffer. Stay polite and reasonable. Negotiation is a two-way street. Use your research to back up your decisions. Once you agree on a price and terms, the deal is set. Closing involves paperwork and patience, but you're nearly there. You've prepared, marketed, and negotiated like a pro. Selling fast and for top dollar is possible with the right approach. Give yourself a pat on the back. Get ready for your next adventure. Well done.